Sometimes users need a clear path to move between pages in your app. With Navigate to Page, you can guide users directly to the right destination through interactive elements. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Navigate to Page in Jotform Apps to guide users through your app with clear and intentional navigation. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. From the App Elements panel on the left, drag and drop the card element into your app. Click on the card inside your app. This will activate the gear icon at the top right corner of the card. Select the gear icon to open the Card Properties panel on the right side. In the Properties panel, go to the Actions tab. This is where you define what happens when users interact with the card. Under Card Actions, you can choose how the card behaves when clicked. Select Do Nothing if the card should remain purely visual without any interaction. Choose Navigate to Page if you want the card to redirect users to another page within the application. You can also select Open Form to display a form when the card is clicked. Additional actions include Open URL to redirect users to an external website, send email to trigger an email action, or make call to start a phone call on supported devices. In this case, select Navigate to Page. Then use the Page drop-down to choose the destination page, such as Home or Announcements. You can also select Create a New Page if you want to add a new destination directly from the menu. Once you're done, toggle Preview to view the app as a user and test the navigation. And that's how you use Navigate to Page in Jotform Apps. Guide users through your app with clear navigation and create a more structured experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.